Hey guys, so I'm here thinking about a nice little video to do, and it came to mind, why not prank my sister a little? It's not really a prank, but just like a reaction, just to like hear how she reacts to this. So I'm going to like say to her, hey, I'm moving to Florida, but without Tyler. And let's see how that turns out. So I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm nervous. What if she's like, yeah, long time, leave the dirty boy. He's not dirty, he's clean. But yeah, what if she's like, leave him? I'm going to be so shocked. Yeah. All right, so let's get into the video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We love you.
Jacob, Daddy is sick. Charity is flying all over creation.
I have to talk to you about something.
Seriously? Yeah.
To
Grace,
hear
you're leaving
opinion.
again. I said I was just thinking about it. Well, Jacob never had.
So, what do you think about me moving to Florida?
That was nice.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So you prefer Florida or PA?
Not this part of PA.
Not this one. Okay. But if I'm going to Florida, I'm going by myself.
You mean by yourself?
If I'm going to Florida, it's just me alone. Tyler won't be coming.
Why?
Because we are taking a break from each other. And I decided to move to Florida.
Okay. If I say so.
No, serious something. Put on your phone. What do you think about that? What do you think about me going to Florida by myself without Tyler?
That don't make sense because you always did it for you.
What do you mean by you always did it for me?
If you want help, you call him, I could come.
But I
He
don't
always
know.
try if he did it for you.
So that's why I'm not to move to Florida without Tyler?
Yeah.
But not because you always did it for me means that we alright.
Well, talk to him about it, I mean, say if you leave.
So me not figure out Florida without Tyler? But what is this? I'm confused because I don't understand why you pick up with Tyler.
I'm not pick up with Tyler.
It's so and so because me tell me I come to Florida and we think about it and you basically tell me say don't leave without Tyler.
Yeah, you're very nice if you two want to come.
But he doesn't want to come. He doesn't want to live in Florida. We have different views and we just decided to do it separately.
Well, if you don't want to come and you want to come, all you have to go back and forth.
If I'm going to stay. There's no back and forth.
I'm not forget to talk about that.
There's nothing for
Only
me, and
can-
if I'm asking you what you think.
You know, someone can live in a center. Well, I not like that idea.
You know, like it. So at first, me tell us me I move come to Florida. Yay, that would be nice.
Yeah.
Me I come by myself. You don't like the idea. You don't like that idea. That's crazy. That's crazy. I can't believe you really pick up for Tyler.
We not pick up with Tyler. I just said tell them.
But if me and Tyler did become a Florida, it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
But if me alone come, it's not okay.
No, if y'all wanna come visit, that's okay.
But you're not for each other and stop talk.
You know, say money, right? Like, divorce is money.
Me not no money. I am not no money. So we not no money always.
That's why I think about the long run before you're married.
Me think about the long run.
And it ends so quick.
Yeah. You just never know.
So that means you waste your time.
Me no waste my time. Me gain a lot from him. Me experience a lot. So it's not a waste of time.
Well, if you did just want experience, you could just stay friends and travel.
That's true, but now I experience marriage too. rich. You see, we spend no money for our wedding. We did not have any wedding. Not like say we spent money or anything like that.
So you're not going to wedding?
We were going to, but we decided not to anymore because I plan on moving to Florida.
Wow.
My name is Johnny Bo.
So that's your intake. Wow.
Yeah. They're so excited about him and now everything just gone.
Yeah.
That's sad.
But it's a joke.
It better be.
Because now, but it's so weird though, because like I'm saying to you, okay, I'm going to Florida, yay, but without Tyler, no. It's like so I can't do anything, like I can't leave him.
I mean, you can leave him for like a week or something.
And that's crazy. My family has grown to love Tyler so much. Like this happens. Like as soon as I say anything remotely tick or remotely bad about Tyler, everybody's on me. It's you. It's crazy. The love of the in-law. And sometimes I really want them to be on my side, to be honest, but it takes a minute.
Would
for
it
them
on your
to
side?
Really? Does this sound like she's on my side? Tell me, like, let me hear. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoy, and we'll see you guys in another video.
Felties.
Felties out.